In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Canva with Google account. Let's walk through the entire process together so you can get into your Canva workspace quickly and securely. First, open your preferred web browser and go directly to canva.com by typing it into the address bar. Give the homepage a moment to load. You should see Canva's landing page with options to start designing or sign in. Next, look to the top right corner and click Log In. This takes you to Canva's sign-in screen where you'll see several ways to access your account. On that screen, choose Continue with Google. This option lets you use your Google credentials so you don't need to create or remember a separate Canva password. It's a convenient and secure method, especially if you already use Google across your devices. A Google window will appear. If you're already signed into one or more Google accounts in your browser, you'll see them listed. Click the account you want to use with Canva. If you don't see the right one select Use Another Account and sign in with the Google profile you prefer. Choosing the correct account matters, particularly if you keep personal and work projects separate. If prompted, enter your Google email and password to verify your identity. You might also be asked to complete two-step verification. This check is handled by Google and helps keep your account safe. Canva never receives your Google password, it only gets confirmation that you've signed in successfully. You may then see a permissions screen. Take a moment to review what Canva is requesting, typically your basic profile information and email address. This allows Canva to identify your account, link your designs, and keep you signed in. If you're comfortable, click Continue or Allow to proceed. After that, you'll be redirected to your Canva dashboard. Give it a moment to load. You should see your recent designs, templates, and your profile avatar at the top right, which confirms you're signed in with Google. If this is your first time using Google with Canva, you might be guided through a brief setup, but you're already logged in and ready to create. If the Google sign-in window doesn't appear, check if your browser is blocking pop-ups or third-party cookies and allow canva.com. When you use multiple Google accounts, consider opening a private window to make selecting the correct account easier. And if you encounter a sign-in loop, clearing cookies for canva.com and accounts.google.com can help. That's all it takes. You visited canva.com, clicked login, continued with Google, confirmed your account and permissions, and arrived at your Canva dashboard. You're ready to design.